right, good morning. This is Steve with Clean Grillin. We're in Fresno, California, getting ready to do this UI freestanding grill. It's made by Bull. Pretty much the same thing as the Bull. It's just their brand that they usually sell like at Lowe's and stuff like that. They just changed the name of it. So we're gonna get ready to clean it down below, up the top, polish it up at the end. We're gonna get it all done and make it look beautiful all the way around. We'll clean all the way the back, around, and underneath and everything. So we'll get started with it. Oh yeah, look how bad it is down here. I've already scraped a little bit. It was pretty thick. So I already scraped pretty much all of it. Look how nice and clean this is inside and the outside and below. Hey, this is Steve with Clean Grillin. Got done with this Bull barbecue right now. UI brand by Bull. As you can see, I got it clean all the way down and throughout. Let's clean up here, clean the hood, clean down below. Give me a call, 559-901-8050, or go to my website at cleangrillin.com. You can send me a response on there and I'll get it on my email. This is Steve with Clean Grillin. Earn every damn day with energy, enthusiasm, drive, determination. Everyone have a blessed day.